Hello everyone, today I'm actually really excited for this video because I've got my brand new iPhone in here and I can't wait to open it, and yeah, let's bring you all along with me and let's get into it as I unbox my new iPhone 11. And it's written me a really funny note on here. Ah! Yay! Basically, I've been really poorly, but I'll explain why in a future video. And in here with my iPhone, I've been sent like a few little bits from my boyfriend. So there's some Malteser biscuits, which I love. There is a chocolate orange, which is one of my favourites, and it says "Keep Smiling" on the top. And there is, there's a lip balm. I'm very happy about. I love lip balms. There are some fluffy socks, some like cozy bed socks, which I have been going through so much at the moment because my temperature has been all over the place. Oh my gosh. There's some Parma Violet sweets. And, oh god, there's more stuff. There is a little snowman dairy milk. There's a face mask. And some chocolate, a Winter Wonderland bar. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, now what you're here for, the iPhone. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay, you can see that I got it in purple. I got the 128GB storage version and I'm very excited. I haven't had a brand new iPhone for like, I've always had like a contract iPhone, but this one I bought outright and on SIM only, which is my current contract. And yeah, I could just pop it in the side. Oh, I'm so excited. But I'm going to quickly take a thumbnail and then I'll be back. This is so satisfying. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, look how beautiful that is. I am put it out of the box and let's start setting it up. Oh my gosh, this screen is so big. Well, before this I had the iPhone 7, so in size it's not that much different, but in screen size there is a huge difference. Also, the cameras on the back that you get, obviously you get 2 cameras instead of 1. The 11 Pro has 3 cameras and night mode as well if you bought that one. Let's peel this off. Oh, it's so satisfying. Okay, and then let's start turning it on. This is so weird that there's like no home button down here. Okay, well let's wait for that to turn on and we'll see what else is in the box. So just get a little setup manual and some stickers. And then the little thing to help you change your SIM card. You also get a new charging plug along with a charging cable, which looks like, yeah, that is the same as what I have now. And then earphones as well, which we always love new earphones. Okay. This is so exciting! Okay, let's start setting it up. Selecting United Kingdom. Okay, so you bring the phones together. Okay, nothing's happening. I'm ringing IT support, also my boyfriend. Hello? It's on quick start and nothing's happening. It says quick start. Bring your current phone or iPhone, iPad, whatever, near to it. And it will start, make sure, oh wait, it's because Bluetooth's not on. Okay, so I've turned my old phone off and on again to see if it will let me into, or if it will come up with a notification for my new phone. It is taking a minute. Oh, there we go. It's working. Okay, hold your new phone up to the camera. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so it's setting up now. Let's put a case on it before I break this thing, because I'm already getting the back all fingerprinty. I just have this clear case from JetTech cell phone cases. So made for your smartphone apparently, for iPhone 11. Okay, I'm going to set up Face ID. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I'm just, oh shit. Oh, I should have done this without makeup, because that's how I am most of the time. First face scan complete. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Cool, Face ID is set up. This is so exciting. I literally can't contain my excitement. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? These are all things the phone is telling me to say, by the way. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Lovely, Siri is ready. This is what the screen looks like at the moment. And this is just a close-up of the colour of the phone. I guess we'll just give it a few minutes to do this. Okay, this is what is going on at the moment. It's taking ages to get to this bit, but we've been going about half an hour now, and we've supposedly got 2 minutes left, but it's been saying that for ages too, so probably not. Okay, my old phone now says this, but my new phone is doing this again, so yeah. We'll just wait some more, I guess. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now. Everything is set up. Obviously the widgets that I had here before are gone, but we can sort that out again. I just need to transfer my SIM across and then we are good to go. Overall, I'm really happy with how easy this was to set up, and I would definitely recommend it. The phone was meant to cost £779 at retail price. I got money off of that because of Black Friday, or pre-Black Friday sales, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, overall very easy. The screen quality, the camera quality, everything is very good. I love the colour, and yeah, so far very impressed, and I would definitely buy again. Let's swap the SIMs over. Well, the SIM. Oh, I think the SIM on my... What do you... Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh. Let's slide that back in. And pop this one out. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Let's turn it back on. There we go. Finally! Oh my god, look at the old colour of my clear screen protector. It started like this and now it looks like this. That is grim. Okay, so overall I'm very happy with this. Everything's set up. All my texts are starting to come through now, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set up my widgets, and yeah, I'm just gonna end the video there because I'm just very happy with it. Although it's not using Face ID yet, but I'm sure it'll just take a little while. Thanks for coming to watch my video, and I hope you, if you're new here, please stick around, subscribe down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what phone you have now is. Bye!